Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Akari and me. With me being Akari and you guys being the me part. Hopefully, that's how I hope it works out. But today, you guys are gonna see some crazy footage. Why? Because I just cut my hair. I don't know, I just wanted to. I was like, I need to start doing things if I want to do them. So, I wanted to, so I just did it. And I just ended up cutting my bangs. I know they're a little crazy. And I just cut my hair. And you guys are gonna see how, like right now. Didn't end up that bad, huh? Guys, so my hair is long. I'm going to cut it. Since you guys saw that video of when I literally showered, you guys could see more of the detail of my bangs. But the way I got them to be like this, a little bit more cute or whatever, is I blow dried my hair. Oh my gosh, look, ma'am, this looks so cute. Look, ma'am, look, it looks so cute. They look like a baby. So I just cut my bangs and I thought it was horrible. I literally thought it was horrible. Worst thing ever. And today is Brian's birthday, my husband's birthday. He turned 22 years old and we're gonna go to dinner. So it would have really sucked if I really screwed up my hair, and I'm gonna take pictures with him, and we went out to dinner and it would have been horrible. But yeah, this is actually how it ended up. This is when I blow dry my hair, so I'm probably gonna have to blow dry my hair every single day, because I know if I let it dry on its own, it's not gonna come out like this, like at all. But yeah, and I'm actually gonna show you guys how my hair ends up after I curl it. I think I'm gonna curl it. Babe, should I leave my hair like this for dinner, or should I curl my hair? Then I guess this is the final look. Since I'm not going to curl my hair, I'm just gonna end up showing you guys my final look, as in like my makeup, my wear, my dress. I don't know what I'm wearing. My outfit, that's what it is. So I'm gonna show you guys my makeup, my outfit, everything. But yeah, I guess I just saved myself some time because he said he likes it like this. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you guys think this was a total like fixer-upper success kind of story, because I know it wasn't. I had to fix it in the mirror right now. So yeah, I'll show you guys in just a bit. Hey guys, so I actually didn't even take a picture yesterday at the party of my makeup look or my hair or my outfit, but today's a new day, so I might as well show you. This is literally the next day. So this is second day hair. You guys can see it was a little bit, well, you guys didn't see, but it was a little bit more poofy this morning, which I know is gonna happen because my hair is crazy like that. And this is second day eyebrows. Yeah, these aren't my eyebrows, guys. They're second day eyebrows. Impressed? Me too. And I actually took off my eyeshadow because one of them looked nice and this one looked messed up. But I just put mascara on to match my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, I should take a picture of that for my Instagram. But right now, I'm here at Home Depot. We're gonna do a DIY. That's completely different. The reason why I made this video was because I just feel like I overthink things so much and then I don't do them. Like, don't I get scared of doing things all the time? Yeah, but that's the thing. Like, I just get scared of doing things all the time. And like, okay, to be honest, I was thinking of going to short. No, I was thinking of going bangs. But honestly, looking at it like this, I don't think that would work out. So I'm glad that I kind of chickened out of that. But like, that's what I was trying to go for when I cut my hair. I just wanted shorter hair right now, just because I have like 2 different colors. And so I'm slowly gonna try to cut out my, I'm slowly gonna try to cut out my second color. So that's why I cut my hair. But I just don't want to be scared to do things anymore. Like, if I want to do them, I just want to be able to do them. And like, if I want to have a crazy look today or tomorrow, I want to be able to have a crazy look today or tomorrow. You know, because like, people do that. Don't be scared to do to make changes in your life, to be different with yourself. Like, I'll show you guys my outfit just to close out the video, but that's pretty much all I was saying. Like, I just didn't want to be scared to like mess up my hair. If anything, hey, guess what, I'll go get it fixed. If it looks fine, then success, you know. Like with Brian, I cut Brian's hair every single time. If I mess up, hey, guess what, you know, who cares? He married, he shouldn't care. But when it comes out nice like this, success, you know. And I saved myself money because I've been cutting his hair for like almost 3 years now. So I had to save myself $18. So that was also another reason why I did it myself. And mostly because they're like 15 minutes or 20 minutes away from me. So that's too far. But yeah, I'll show you guys my outfit, and I guess that would be the end of the video. But thank you guys very much for watching. I know this is kind of like a Baba random video, but this is just something I wanted to do for myself. I cut my hair. I just don't want to be scared to do things, you know. I want to try to live life recklessly yet as safely as possible. So if that makes any sense. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, this is Agadi and me, with me being Agadi, and hopefully you guys being the me part, just so that you guys can follow along and kind of experience this with me, and hopefully you can change with me as well if you're a scaredy cat like me. So you guys can hopefully change with me, just because, you know, I don't want to be scared anymore. I kind of don't want to be lazy anymore. I don't want to just be bored with my life. So I want to make my own fun in my life, because I know that if I don't, then honestly nothing's gonna happen for me. And like I always say, I'm not getting any younger, I'm not getting any richer, so I need to do something about it. So yeah, let's do that. Let's look better, feel better, and live better, guys. So come on, go ahead and turn on your post notifications, subscribe, drop a like down below, and comment, just so you can stay updated and engaged with my channel and with this video. So I really like to see what you guys thought about my haircut. Was it bad? Do you guys think it's bad? Or was it a complete success? Let me know down below. I thank you guys for watching.